Hey guys, I hope you guys are doing well. Watch me as I make my favorite winter soup. Guys, I don't know if I'm the only one, but I realized that winter time, my craving for pepper soup is way higher than on a regular day or on a regular season. So let me know in the comment section if you are the same. So in here, I have my meat, fish, chicken fish, shrimp, and everything all clean. You can add any protein of your choice, okay? And I have my fresh garden eggs along with my fresh okra, which I'll be adding to my soup. For my seasoning, I'll be using 1 shrimp cube, black pepper, chicken flavor bouillon, adobo all-purpose seasoning, garlic powder, and onion powder. So in my pan, I have fresh tomatoes, fresh bell peppers, habanero pepper, garlic, ginger, and onion. I'll be blending those together and add it to the pot. After adding my blended peppers and onions, I'll be adding my garden eggs and my okra. Even though I blended some onions, I'm also going to be slicing some into the pot as well. I will advise you cut your onions on a cutting board before adding it to your pot. Do not be like me, okay? Once I'm done slicing my onions into the pot, I'll move over to adding my seasoning to the pot. After adding all my seasoning, I'll be adding my water. So the thing about the pepper soup is like the more water you add, the more soup you're gonna get. The less water you add, the less soup you're gonna get. So because I want more soup, I'll be adding more water. So once I'm done adding my water, I'll cover my pot and take it to the stove and let it cook for 30 minutes. So after 30 minutes of cooking, I'll be checking on my soup. So now just go ahead and taste my soup and make sure it's well seasoned. So after tasting my soup, my seasoning wasn't to my liking. I'm just gonna go ahead and add a little bit of seasoned salt. I'll let it cook for a few more minutes. And now I will be checking on my soup. So at this point, my soup is pretty much done. I'll just go ahead and turn the stove off. And then once I turn the stove off, I'll be removing my garden eggs and my okra from the soup. And once I'm done removing my garden eggs and my okra, I'll be mashing them. Now that I'm done mashing my garden eggs and my okra together, I will set it aside and move over to my soup. But yeah guys, so this is my soup. It's all done and ready. I usually get my bowl, like whatever bowl I'll be storing my soup in, and I just add my soup to the bowl. I'll be saving my mashed okra and garden eggs into a separate bowl in the fridge. I usually just save that on its own, and every time I'm about to have my pepper soup with fufu, I just add it onto the fufu. Or if I'm gonna have the pepper soup with white rice, I just mix the okra and the white rice together and have it with the pepper soup. Yeah, so once I'm done sharing my soup into the various bowl, I'll go ahead and store my soup. So hopefully this will last me for 2 weeks, but knowing me and knowing my craving for pepper soup, it's probably gonna last me a week and a half. Of course, y'all know I'm not gonna make pepper soup. I have some right away. So I went ahead and make me some fufu. I'm going to be having the first bowl of pepper soup with fufu. But yeah guys, so this is pretty much how I cook and store my pepper soup. This brings us to the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, watch my other videos, like, share, and leave me a comment down below. Do not forget to hit that notification bell so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. I appreciate you guys for staying tuned to the end of this video, and I will talk to you guys in my next video.